njagala owulirize ye Nkeletanyi ono yajjayo minisita Sempijja nga bwe yatandise naye abalala ne balowooza nga wana Pulezidenti Museveni kubanga yagambe Pulezidenti Yoweri Museveni weebale nnyo okusadaaka obulamu bwo ku lw'Abannayuganda naye ndi wano nange kumenominatinga sipiika wange gwe mpulira njagala si minisita si state minister naye MP n'agamba Soddo kubanga munange Pulezidenti Yoweri Museveni nga bw'oyagaliza nga bw'oyagalayo okusaddaakira famire yo n'ebifo byonna naye lwaki mbyogera n'ebyaddala akasajja katyobodde Pulezidenti Yoweri Kaguta Museveni wakati w'ababaka uyo wane kawuliriza video.
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda, thank you for sacrificing yourself for the past 40 years to be the President of the Republic of Uganda. Right, Honorable Speaker, the President has not only sacrificed himself, but he has sacrificed the members of the first family to take on the leadership positions of this family, something that cannot be taken for granted. Right, Honorable Speaker, there seems to be a talent for standing as a sacrifice for the people of Uganda from the first family. I hereby, Right, Honorable Speaker, as per Rule 6, Sub-Rule 1, 2, 3, and 4, and Article 82 of the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda, nominate my candidate. My candidate is not a minister, is not a prime minister, and neither is he a vice president. And I go on to nominate my candidate, Honorable Soddo Aine Kaguta, in a way of appreciating the first family for the tremendous work and sacrifice that they have given to this country. Right, Honorable Speaker, by virtue of the fact that the 12th Parliament tends to have the biggest percentage having new members, Aine Kaguta, being from the Kaguta family, stands out to lead us for the deputy speakership role by virtue of the fact that the new entrants of the 12th Parliament are many. And by virtue of the fact that the population of the Republic of Uganda, Right, Honorable Speaker, with more than 80% below the age of 40 years, I think my candidate stands out at the age of 46 to represent the biggest population of the Republic of Uganda. I beg to nominate.
Is the nomination?
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda, thank you for sacrificing yourself for the past 40 years to be the President of the Republic of Uganda. Right, Honorable Speaker.
Ne President asese busisi. Ne Soddo. Omulabi anyenya mutwe bwa. So, akasajja kayimiride nikadda mu kuvuruga President. Nkeletanyi. Aya. Nkeletanyi. Kuyise mirundi esatu. Kyemanyi kubibadde kororo muzeeyi alabyeyo gwe tajja kukitwala for granted. Bw'ogenda kulaba tereka vidiyo